Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Choose fresh ingredients and balance heat and flavor. Use 8 ounces of mixed chilies, 4 ounces jalapenos, and 4 ounces guajillos to start. Remove stems and seeds from jalapenos if you want milder heat, or leave some seeds for extra kick. Toast 1/2 cup of chopped onion and 3 cloves garlic until translucent in a dry skillet to develop sweetness. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon sugar to help brown the flavor before rehydrating or blending. Rehydrate dried guajillos by covering them with 1 cup hot water and letting them sit for 15 minutes until soft. Combine rehydrated guajillos, toasted jalapenos, the 1/2 cup cooked onion and 3 cloves garlic in a blender. Add 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice, and 1 cup of the reserved soaking liquid for body. Blend until smooth, and then simmer the pureed sauce gently over medium-low heat for 12 minutes to meld flavors. And for a silky taco sauce, strain the hot puree through a fine mesh sieve, pressing solids with the back of a spoon to extract maximum yield. Taste and adjust balance. Add 1 tablespoon honey to soften heat or 1 tablespoon extra vinegar to brighten acidity, and add up to 1 teaspoon more salt if needed. Cool to room temperature, then transfer to sterilized bottles, refrigerate up to 1 month, and shake before using. Use on tacos, burritos, or as a marinade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.